Number 5.
India and Japan have moved closer toward concluding the first-ever bilateral defense deal between the two countries. India and Japan have revived the stalled project to acquire 12 Japanese US-2i amphibious aircraft costing 10,000 crore rupees. This marks a significant strategic cooperation between the countries. The specialized seaplane, the US-2i, will be Japan's first overseas military sale in nearly 50 years.
Number 4.
Both India and Japan are wary of China's aggressive territorial claims. India has till now ruled out joining the quadrilateral security dialogue proposed by the US, with Japan and Australia being the other members. But Japan since 2014 has become a regular participant of the annual Malabar naval exercise between India and the US, which has irked China. Japan ended its 5-decade-old self-imposed embargo to export military hardware in 2013. The deal to buy these was stuck due to the high cost. Japan has now agreed to reduce the price, to clinch the deal and expand its strategic partnership with India. It has offered a price concession of more than 10% per aircraft from $133 million per aircraft to around $113 million, in government-to-government deal.
Number 3.
In October 1996, Shinmewa was nominated by the Ministry of Defense as a main contractor to develop advanced version of existing US-1 aircraft. The rigorous engineering requirements imposed on the project resulted in an advanced model, which was virtually a brand new aircraft. The overall assembly of the first prototype was concluded in April 2003 and the first flight test was successfully conducted in December 2003. The aircraft entered full-scale production in April 2007. Let us now look into the main features of the craft. 1. It is a STOL, short takeoff and landing, amphibious aircraft. Powered by 4 big turboprops, the US-2i is capable of short takeoffs from land as well as water. The maximum takeoff distance required on land is 490 meters, and in water is 280 meters. The maximum landing distance required on land is 1,500 meters, and in water is 330 meters. 2. US-2i allow the operation in rough seas with wave height of 3 meters. 3. The US-2i is one of sturdiest aircrafts and can operate in sea state 5 conditions, wind speed of 30 to 38 km per hour, on the high seas as well as on rivers and lakes. 5. It has an excellent range of 4,500 kilometers. 6. The wings and fuselage are made of composite materials. It features a pressurized cabin for high-altitude flights.
Number 2.
In keeping with Prime Minister Modi's emphasis on developing military technology indigenously to check India's dependence on foreign defense manufacturers, the US-2i planes will be made in India. So far the Indian MOD has only indicated that it would like to purchase 2 US-2i aircraft in flyaway condition, whereas the remaining 10 will build in India under Make in India initiative. The deal also includes transfer of technology.
Number 1.
India's coastline runs nearly 7,500 kilometers. The Indian Navy could use the US-2i for a number of roles, such as crew rotation at sea, supply of spares to ships, long-range search and rescue and surveillance. Given its range, the Indian Navy could station the US-2i aircraft in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, from where they would be able to conduct surveillance patrols of the eastern Indian Ocean region. The deal marks the intent of Asia's second and third largest economies to counter an increasingly aggressive China.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting. Kindly provide your feedback in the comment section, this will help us improve.